My name is B. Siddarth. I'm from Delhi Board Public School, Hyderabad, India. At the beginning of 21st century, there was an increase of people who are older than 65 years old. Statistics tell that in Japan, the people who are older than 65 years old has grown up to 35% of the total population. This might cause several problems in their daily life. The main problem would be relating to supplying enough labor power in several areas. We need to develop some machine-like robots which can solve this problem. There are two types of friendly robots. The robots which can help them in physical tasks and the robots which can help them grow emotionally. I have developed a robot named CLENO which can help elderly people in physical tasks. This robot is designed for elderly and disabled people so it can be controlled through a remote to move forward, right, left and backwards. This robot can clean surfaces. This robot can hold things and give to a person, and it can also detect the values of oxygen in a person and display it on the LCD. The components used in my robot Leno are two MRTs, 5 motors, one LCD, one pulley, 4 Omni wheels, one oximeter. Now let's see the movement of my robot Clino. So I have attached Omni wheels to the motors so it can move in all directions. So now let's see how it moves forward. Now when I press two switches on my remote, the robot should move forward. Now let me press the two switches. This is how it moves forwards. In the same way, it moves back, right, left. Now let's see how the arms of my robot Leno work. So for the working of my these arms, I have connected a MRT, motor and a IR sensor. So whenever the MRT sends signals to this motor rotates, and whenever this IR sensor senses this base, it stops. Now let's see how it works. So I'm turning on my MRT over here. As you can see, the arms are moving up. Now the IR sensor has sensed the base, so it stopped moving up. So now these arms over here clean every spot on the table. Let's see how the oximeter and the LCD works. So when I place my finger on the oximeter over here, as you can see here it shows that oxygen is equals to 98%. So let's get into the coding part. So as you can see over here, I have an IR sensor block which says none. So if IR sensor does not sense anything, the motor will move forward. Pulley motor is going to move forward. If it senses, it's not going to move anywhere. So whenever there is, if we press no keys pressed on the remote control, it will not move anywhere. If up key is pressed, it will move forward. If down key is pressed, it will move backwards. Whenever key is pressed, it will move right, and whenever left key is pressed, it will move left. So for the oximeter and the LCD, I have created a variable called integer variable called as oximeter, and in the custom digital input, I have created the oximeter variable. I have placed it over here. So whenever there is a value over here, it's going to place the same exact value on the oximeter LCD. Let's see 360 degrees view of my robot. Thank you IYRC for giving me an opportunity to participate.